Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what the sheet needs: a clean ticker list and the right locale so numbers and dates parse correctly. Enter tickers in one column, then create headers for price, change, and last updated. Once done, you'll use built-in functions to pull live quotes. Make sure the sheet is saved in Drive and you have network access. You now have the minimum inputs required. Next, we wire the live data and calculations that make this useful. You now use Google Finance to fetch live price and percent change. For example, Google Finance, A2, price, and change ept. Once done, wrap those calls in array formula so new tickers auto-populate. Then calculate market value as price times shares and P/L% as price AVG cost/AVG cost. Make sure to lock reference cells with dollar when needed. If you need historical data, request a date range from Finish by adding visual cues. Conditional formatting for winners/losers and sparkline for short trends. Once done, protect cells with formulas and set file settings calculation to on change and every minute only if you need frequent updates. This minimizes API throttling. If you hit errors, test one ticker in a blank sheet to isolate connectivity or symbol issues. Make sure ticker formats match the exchange. Finally, export snapshots or use import range to share a read-only dashboard with collaborators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.